Hello everyone, welcome back to another Fired Up Friday. So we got to dig way deep into the archives for this one. I think probably around 2 years ago. I made this, what I call a takedown ferro rod kit. Got this little drawstring bag, and in here we have a little ferro rod. Of course it's a Nathan 4071. We got a high-speed steel striker. We got a little tool to take it down. And then somewhere in here we have a spare set screw in case you lose one, and we have another little Allen key in case you break that one. And how this works is the whole thing just comes apart. Handle comes off. Get your little Allen key here. And you can pull your ferro rod right out. Now you can make this shorter if you wanted, and obviously you could replace it anytime you want. And the same thing goes for this. I thought it was a cool idea. I don't know how practical it is. Probably better off just like leaving this as one piece and this as one piece, and maybe cut this down to about that size, and then you'd have a pretty compact set. Alright, let's put this back together. If I remember, I'll put the link in the description where I originally showed it, but basically that's all I did was show it. Alright, of course we got some Florida fatwood here. More of that primo bacony stuff. Alright, let's get a spark going here. Alright. And there she goes! Oh yeah. Sizzling already. Got a little breeze going today. Listen, listen. Ooh. Woohoo! That one reached out and touched me. Look at the black soot coming off of that. Holy cow. Wow, wow. Smoking me out over here. Nice, Captain. Nice. He's a poking. It's a smoking. Oh yeah. Yo no soy marinero. Yo soy capitán. Nice one, Captain. Nice. Those of you who understand Spanish, or at least know the song La Bamba, you know what I just said. Thanks for coming along, everyone. I appreciate it. Like always, I'm going to send you my love, all my appreciation, and thanks for coming along for another Fired Up Friday. I hope you all are staying well, and we'll see you on the next one.